Yes, I will show the nails in shortly. Give me 1 second. So we are gonna using the tip of the silicone brush. Can you guys see okay? Everyone see okay? So press it on and release, and then fan it out and release. Do the same thing. You don't have to be a really perfect right away. You are going to do it same thing. Press it down, fan it, and pull it. Press and release. And you can see that I don't really need any alcohol at all. It doesn't stick on my 3Ds brush. However, if you feel it's sticky on yours, you feel free to clean it with alcohol and continue to sculpting your flowers. Press it on and release. I'm gonna pull it on the sides for just a little bit. And really cool about this 4D gel, you can have all the time in the world you want until you're happy with the petal that you are going to sculpt. Then you can cure. But if you still need to work on it, feel free to work on it until you are done. And they are not going to set until you cure. So that being said, it's gonna be really easy for us to create so many different designs. This is a lot of questions for this, and 4D gels. We see a lot of comments as well. So you can see that I can go back and forth with 3 petals that I'm still working on. I'm happy with this. I am going to cure this one for a flash cure 30 seconds. All right. Hey Isabel, happy Tuesday. Hello everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hello Facebook, hi Instagram, hi YouTube viewer and TikTok viewer. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know, right? And now that is definitely the game changer, and then it was definitely step up the game. Okay, so continue. You are going to add 2 more beads. So you can stop right here. I think it looks so gorgeous. However, if you want to add some more layer of it, you definitely can. Press it down. You place your beads. So this time you can get the same side, the beads of the 4D gel. And then you can leave it right there. So the second layer, I place it right on above between the 2 petals of the first layer. So I don't put it right in the same what the first layer of the petal is. I place them right between 2 petals, so it's give it a really a nice looks, and looks like it's more go together. And then I'm gonna keep blending it out and release. It's really cool because it's not going to dry, so you have so much time to play with this and give it. Really is like you press it down, You don't want to do it too heavy handed. Just press it enough and it is gonna really form it for you. And it's really cool about you can make it like really 3D dimensional. You see that how I'm using the tip of the silicone and then leave it up a little bit so it's not looks like it's flat on. You can do it with the second layer. Somehow I get something on this one. So if you see something on this, just get it out before you cure. Something just fall right there. And just blend it. So here's another technique you can do, which is have your crystal first and then you place your 3D on. But if you want to do your 3D first and then have your crystal on, it's up to you. Either ways is gonna look so beautiful. So that is really simple and super easy. You can do with any colors. You can do with pink, you can do with the pink colors, you can do with the white colors, you can do with anything. I just love to the looks of that kind of a neutral colors for the flowers. So I'm happy with this. You see that how on the side can make it looks like it's 3 dimensionals, and then we are going to key it for 60 seconds. Okay,